Hey guys, Miss Beatrice here again. Today I want to work out a maths addition problem with you using our STAR problem solver strategy that we've learned. So today we're going to be sorting out the problem. We're going to be thinking about what strategies we could use to solve it. We will action those strategies and check our answer, and then reflect on how effective our strategies were and if we were satisfied. Okay. Here is our problem that we're going to be solving today. Miss Beatrice ordered 625 blue line exercise books for the Year 4 students. The stationery company only sent 478 books. How many books does the stationery company still need to send? Now the first step is sorting out the problem, and that involves underlining the question, circling the important information and crossing out the rest. Well, looking at this I can tell 625 is pretty important information. So I need to circle it. And I need to circle books as well. Doesn't matter what sort of books they are. No, it doesn't. Doesn't matter who ordered the books. No, and it doesn't matter who the books are for. No. All of that information was sent in there to confuse you. The next bit of important information is how many books the stationery company sent, and that is this number here, which is 478. And we could put books there as well. Underlining the question is our last step. Question mark is offered a big clue there, and it will often be at the end of the problem, but not always. So what we've worked out now is this is the important information. 625 books and 478 books. And how many books does the company still need to send? Now that tells me that this could be a takeaway problem. So it would be 625 takeaway 478. There are actually two ways now that we can solve that, or several ways, but I'm going to show you two ways. The first, which I'm going to write over here, is our partial algorithm. This way is probably the best way for you to be using in grade 4, because although this is a great strategy that I will show you over here, it is based on chunking, and once you get beyond 3 digits, it gets a bit harder. This strategy you can use no matter how big the numbers. So the first step is 5 take away 8. Can we do that? We can't, so we need to actually go next door and borrow. We're borrowing from the 10, so the 2 becomes a 1, and that 5 becomes 15. 15 take away 8 is 7. We can do that. 1 take away 7, can't do. Same thing, we go across, we borrow, 6 becomes 5, 1 becomes 11. 11 take away 7, we can do that, and it is 4. 5 take away 4 is 1. So the answer would be 147. Let's just check it using this strategy as well, and I'll show you another quick way to check your answer. So let's go 600 take away 400. So we're looking at our hundreds column. So 600 take away 400 is 200. Then it's 20 and 70. 20 take away 70. Well, we can't really do that, but what we're looking at is the difference. What is the gap between 70 and 20? And that gap is 50. Then again, it's the units column, it's 8 and 5. Now 5 take away 8, it is a negative number. We haven't covered that yet, but the way you can look at it is, what is the difference between 8 and 5? What is the gap? And it is 3. So now, 200 take away 50 is 150, take away 3 is 147. And we have the same answer. To finish it off, you would write, they still need to send 147 books.